Okay, so this is Metronome Online, and I picked this because when we're working on fluency or trying to get kids to keep a steady pace, instead of reading too fast, reading too slow, this is great because we just start, keeps the pace. The littler kids, we can slow it way down. We can have them read their sight words to a certain pace. And so I thought this was really useful for title and working on fluency. So the underlying purpose was to help students learn to keep pace while reading, and we don't have a Metronome just laying around, so an online free Metronome was perfect. And they like to watch it because they can see the numbers get bigger or smaller. The intended audience is definitely the students. And then the ISTE standards were 2.5C, explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments. Because this is just a way to use technology to do something that we used to do with the actual Metronome. So, and then 2.2.B, advocate for equitable access to educational technology, digital content, and learning opportunities to meet diverse needs of all students. They can use this at home, on their phone, or on a laptop. If they want to practice with that, I have some little ones that really, really like this, and I told their parents about it, and so when they read at home, they use it. This is new to me. I just started it this year, so this one's Metronome Online, and that